Hello, this is Lee Funderburk with Stoney Creek Farm, and we'd like to invite you to our Sustainable Farm Conference on March 30th. What will you learn at the Sustainable Farm Conference? Well, we start out by talking about how you grow your own healthy food without pesticides. And of course, the first and most important thing is healthy soil. Then we also cover how to grow healthy food from seed so that you don't have to buy expensive plants to start your garden. Did you know that you can grow healthy food in the wintertime using cold frames, as well as hoop houses that are very easy to construct? We do an introduction to beekeeping. It tells you all about bees, their investment, and their care. We use beneficial insects on our farm, and we show you how we do that so that we don't have to use pesticides. We'll show you how to preserve your garden bounty and be able to eat all winter long the healthy food that you grew yourself, that has no pesticides and no preservatives in it. We'll also cover fermented foods that are full of probiotics and give you a healthy gut so that you'll stay healthy all year long. We also cover farm animals and the life cycle of chickens and goats. So we hope you join us. Olin and I would love to show you our 7 different income streams here at Stoney Creek Farm, and all you have to do is sign up at stoneycreek.farm.